Welcome, guys. Welcome back to the Rolling Grill. This is Eric. I am cooking drunken shrimp today, and I'm not going to do much editing on this video. I'm pretty much going to let it roll, so y'all bear with me if you see a few gaps in there when there's nothing going on with cooking. But I just want to give you guys an idea how long it takes from start to finish to get this done. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, at this moment, you want to add your favorite seafood seasoning. I'm using my seafood dust. Any kind of seasoning will work. Old Bay, Cajun seasoning, anything like that. And you just want to cook it in. You want to cook this seasoning into the butter. And it's going to kind of bubble up on you a little bit. It's going to start to get a little thick. Now, I'm adding head-on shrimp. You can, of course, add their head-on and their shell-on. Add whatever kind of shrimp you like. All right, before I forget to mention, the heat is like a medium-high heat on these shrimp. And I'm going to keep turning them. You're going to see me continuously flipping them for probably about the next 2 minutes. These are like medium-sized shrimp. They're not too big, but they are, because I have shell on, they're going to take a little while to cook. Probably about 2 or 3 minutes. All right, guys, let's start the show. Now we're going to add some Reposado Tequila. This is a Casa Migos Tequila. Very good tequila. Really, really good tequila. And I'm probably going to add about a 4-foot cup to the shrimp. And we're almost finished now. Let the games begin. Also going to squeeze in some lemon into these shrimp and cook them through about another minute. And they should be ready to rock and roll. Time to plate up. All right, guys, just going to do our last minute flip to these shrimp. Just want to make sure all of them are cooked through. All right, folks, and just like that, we have some beautiful drunken shrimp. You could, of course, take out the tequila and just use Worcestershire sauce, and then you'd have what most consider to be barbecue shrimp. So I just want to thank y'all, as always, for joining me here at the Rolling Grill. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, thank you. Good food, good vibes. Yeah, boy. I just stopped back to say that this right here is some damn good eating. Y'all be good.